Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. This one was not letting water pass through the group head and it was having troubles passing water through the group head. So we replaced that and now we have good flow coming out of the machine, especially the group head over here. This machine does the 6 seconds of pre-infusion and then it actually pulls out the full pressure that you see right now. So we're gonna test this machine out, starting with one shot of espresso. We are gonna be borrowing another portafilter from another machine. We are also using grind setting number 10 with a cold coffee. Hopefully we get a good crema. Exactly, no? And yeah, let's see how it goes. We also did clean the grinder. We use a compressor, remove the burrs, clean everything inside, and make sure everything's grinding the way it's supposed to, and there's no old coffee in there. Now let's put this onto the Loctite position, and let me find my cup, which will be right here. Perfect. And let's do our shot of espresso. Okay, nice steady stream, be better. Hopefully we get some crema. We probably need to grind them maybe a bit finer to compensate the freshness of the coffee. But as you can see, we're having nice crema forming at the top of the espresso shot. As you see right here, looking great. That was 1.5 ounces, which is perfect. Nice shot of espresso. So the steamer one, as you can see, working perfectly fine. Nice steam coming out of the one. Really good temperature. Working great. And hot water working amazing, as you see right there. And there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you so much for the permanent Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.